Good morning, mommies! I am with my husband again. My very, very supportive husband. Anyway, patapos na tayo ng ating walking session. Yung husband ko is tapos na din siya sa kanyang jogging. So, sinasamahan na lang niya ako sa walking. Kasi hindi ko pa kaya mag-jogging. Dati nagja-jogging ako. Pero, I don't know. Siguro dahil sa edad, that's why, halos hindi ko na kayang mag-jogging. So, walking na lang tayo. Anyway, may nagtanong sa akin, Ma'am, kahit ba nagda-diet ka, nagwo-walk ka, nag-exercise ka, kumakain ka pa din ba ng ng rice? My answer is yes. Kumakain pa rin tayo ng rice. Yeah, full meal po ang ating kinakain. But then, pakonti-konti na lang. No? Pakonti-konti na lang yung ating rice, yung ating carbo. Kahit paano kailangan natin ng carbohydrates kasi, no, for our energy. Kasi that's the source of energy, yung ating kinakain na carbo. So hindi ko siya tinatanggal sa aking diet, yung carbohydrates, kasi need yun ng ating katawan. Lalo na kapag ganito na nagwo-workout ka, nagwo-walking ka, nagjo-jogging ka, see to it that you have a proper meal. No? Kasi kailangan mo yun. But anyway, at least, nakagalaw-galaw tayo kagahapon or kahapon is the Tuna Festival dito sa General Santos City. And today is Saturday. Whew. As you can see, mainit na. No? Mainit na talaga siya. But then, we have 5 minutes left pa kasi bago matapos yung aming ginagawa, the walking session ni Miss Perez. So, kailangan tapusin namin yun today. So,